Hi guys, this is it. Last day of Vlogmas, December 24th, and the energy in this house is insane. It is my favorite night of the year by far. I'm also really happy that I was able to pull this off. With everything that went wrong around here, my dog being sick, me being sleep deprived and in and out of the vet hospital, I am so grateful, that I was able to do Vlogmas. To take that time out of each day to pick a blog, to learn how to make it and make it with you guys. Yes, I know my blogs are far from perfect, as are the videos. The math was rushed and so was the execution and the editing. There were a million things I wish I had done differently, but I can promise you that when this quilt is finished, it will look beautiful. And I guess this Vlogmas was kind of the perfect example of what I've been saying all along, of what this channel is all about. You do not have to be perfect and flawless and a pro to sew, to create pieces you love and feel proud of. And I feel very proud of our little Christmas sample quilt, let me tell you. Because for most of these vlogs, it's something new, I had never done before. Some of them I hadn't even heard of before. And it was a lot of fun. Also, have I mentioned I also did Vlogmas for my crafts channel? At Sandy on Crafts, we also had Vlogmas. But for that channel, I had the help of my very talented cousin who teamed up with me and did more than half. And let me tell you, those projects turned out awesome too. A little bit of no-sew fabric ornaments and punch needling and paper crafts. So if you're into crafts, check out that channel as well. But anyway, here we are, last day of Vlogmas with the quilt to finish. Now, I know I said that this last episode would be to finish the quilt, but as it turns out, that was way overly ambitious. I mean, yes, I could probably finish this quilt today. It's not that big of a quilt, but I probably would not be able to edit it, not properly. And the video would either be huge or I would have to rush through the whole thing. And after 23 days of working on this quilt, I think it deserves some time and attention and love. So today we will be making the top of the quilt, and next week there will be another video with the quilting. Yes, I'm doing free motion, and the binding. Yes, I'm finishing it by hand. I am pulling out all the stops here. And to you guys who have watched all these videos, thank you for doing this with me. Now the first step is picking the order for the squares. Here we go. Okay, next we are adding the white strips that separate the squares, first by row, then by column. Nicely, don't you think? Okay, final step to add a final white strip all around the blocks. And that's it, our Christmas sample quilt is complete. Come back next week for the quilting and the binding to see our wonderful final result. Merry Christmas to you all, and I'll see you there.